Welcome back to El-Razi platform. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and managing laboratory tests and results. From the Setup menu, click on the Lab Classes tab. Just like with other modules, you'll see an Import button at the top. You can download the template, add all your lab classes at once, and then upload the file. Alternatively, you can manage them manually. To add a lab class manually, click the Add button. Enter the class code, class name, and a display order to control how they appear in laboratory results. You can also add aliases, then set whether the class is an active class or not. When finished, click Save. Once you have classes in your list, you can easily manage them from the table. Use the search bar to find a specific class. To make changes, select a class and click the Edit button, or use the Delete button to remove it. Next, let's set up the individual lab elements. Click on the Lab Elements tab. You'll again see the Import button to add your own list of elements from a file. To add an element manually, click the Add button. Enter the element code, name, and unit. Then from the Lab Classes list you just created, you can select all the related classes for this element. Next, you can add reference ranges. Select an animal type from your Animal Types list and put the low and high range values. You can also add critical low and critical high values. These will be shown as flags on the laboratory results when a value falls outside the normal range. If you have a calculated element, for example, one derived from two other elements, you can check the box, "This element is calculated." Then select the two elements, the operator and the multiplier, to define the formula. You can also add aliases. When you're done, click Save. From the Lab Elements table, you can also search, edit, or delete elements as needed. Now let's add a lab result to a pet's record. Go to Animals from the sidebar and double-click on the pet you want. The medical record window will open. On the left sidebar, select Lab Results, then click Add Lab Result. First, enter the sample collected date and the report date. Then scroll down to the section Add Multiple Tests. Here, first select a class. Then, from that class, select the related elements you want to include. Click Add Selected to Result, and the elements will appear in the table below. For each element, enter the obtained result from the laboratory. After completing all the values, you can add your clinical notes and recommendations at the bottom. Once everything is entered, click Save Lab Results. After saving, you'll notice flags appearing beside each test result. For example, if a value is above the critical high, you'll see a red HH flag. If it's below the critical low, you'll see a blue LL flag. These visual indicators help you quickly identify abnormal results that need attention. Also, after saving, a PDF button will appear. Click on it, and the platform will automatically generate a PDF report for the lab result. This report is branded with your clinic's information and includes the pet's details, all the lab classes and elements with their values and flags, along with your clinical notes and recommendations. It's a complete professional report ready to share with the pet owner. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.